Let's look at how to calculate real gross domestic product and nominal gross domestic product in this video. The real gross domestic product is calculated as base year price times current quantity. The nominal gross domestic product is calculated as current year price times current quantity. I have these numbers laid in front of us. If I try to calculate the nominal gross domestic product for 2013, I'm just going to use the market value approach. That means multiply price times quantity. Just following the definition here, I'm going to multiply the 2013 price and 2013 quantity. So basically it's going to be price in 2013 times quantity in 2013, and I will add over for all the three goods: magazines, movie tickets, and pizzas. Doing the calculation, I find my number to be equal to 3,300. Doing the same thing for real gross domestic product, I have the same number, which is 3,300. It's because 2013 is my base year, and for the base year, real gross domestic product is equal to nominal gross domestic product. Now, if I look at nominal gross domestic product in 2014, it will be price in 2014 times quantity in 2014 for all these three different goods summed up, and I get my value as 4,885. If I do the calculation for real GDP in 2014, I will take the price in 2013 times the quantity in 2014, and I'm going to get different numbers here. So after I multiply price times quantity, I'll just sum it over for all these three different goods. As for example, I can look at the formula bar here. I took this 2013 prices, multiplied with 2014 quantities, and I summed up the result. The real GDP number is lower than the nominal GDP number. One of the reasons is the real gross domestic product is not taking the effect of change in prices. So when I'm trying to, or when I'm calculating real GDP, I am fixing prices to its base year. Okay. The last thing in this video is how to calculate the GDP deflator. For the base year, it's gonna be equal to 100. It's because the nominal is equal to real, and the way I'm calculating this is equal to 3,300 over 3,300 times 100. I get this as equal to 100, and the deflator is always gonna be 100 for the base year. For 2014, the value of nominal gross domestic product is 4,885. The value of real gross domestic product is 4,650. I'm going to multiply this by 100 times 100. What I get is this number. I just do not write more than 4 numbers after this decimal point. The other thing to show you graphically here is I have the real gross domestic product line shown by this blue line, and I have this nominal gross domestic product line shown by this purple line. Whenever these two are intersecting, I'm going to say real is equal to nominal, and this year, which is 2005, sorry, I'm not doing a good job in this graphing here. 2005 is my base year, because only for the base year real and nominal are intersecting each other and they are equal to each other. Okay, what happens after the base year in this graph? I see that nominal is greater than real. This means the current year prices are, I'm just going to use this greater than sign. This is greater than base year prices. And to the left of this intersection point, I see the real is greater than nominal gross domestic product. So the real is calculated keeping the base year prices as fixed. So I'm going to make the conclusion here. To the left of the intersection point, base year prices are greater than current year prices, and only at this intersection point real is equal to nominal gross domestic product. So that is all with this recording. Thank you very much. Hope this helps.